everyone, it has been a while and I apologize, but I kind of needed a break, but I'm back. I'm going to do a really quick and simple makeup for you. This is the Jumpsuit 21 Pilots man on a horse makeup tutorial. I don't know what else to call it. Anyways, we're going to get started by using only white and black body paint and a little bit of gray eyeshadow. So I'm just going to start by pulling my hair back and then slightly outlining where the curves of this face is going to go and filling that in with white body paint. Now, this mysterious character is pretty old. He has his wrinkles, he's an older gentleman, so what I'm trying to do here is add wrinkles into my face based on my own anatomy. So I will be scrunching my face a lot and adding things where my wrinkles naturally appear or I currently have. So enjoy all these weird faces I'm gonna make. Oh, and before I forget, I decided to add some texture to this since my face wasn't looking as kind of grungy as I wanted it to look. So I'm just taking this little sponge here and dipping it in gray body paint and a little bit of black just to add some kind of texture, dirt, kind of keep it a little less pristine. Once we got that texture down, we can go back in with that same gray eyeshadow and continue to add all our wrinkles. So again, like I mentioned before, really scrunch your face and kind of pull a lot of faces to see where your own wrinkles kind of are. You can definitely mimic the character from the music video, but usually it's going to be easier to follow your own anatomy, and trust me, you'll look like an old man by the end anyways, so you might as well just do the easy way. Anyways, I'm taking a finer brush here and adding really delicate wrinkles where I think they are needed, where the plane is looking a little too perfect. I'm also having to guess forehead wrinkles. For some reason, I don't get forehead wrinkles. This is very confusing to me. I only get furrow wrinkles. So I'm trying to guess this here. And if you're like me, you could wing it or look up a reference picture, and I highly recommend a reference picture. To finish this look off, I'm going back in with some black body paint with that fine brush and defining some of those wrinkles more. This is going to give depth to your face. It's going to make some things stand out over others. It kind of pulls the whole thing together. Also, add kind of cross-hatching on your wrinkles. You don't usually get them just going one direction. Having them cross-hatch in some areas makes a lot of sense, and you will see that your face will naturally do that as well. After that, you're just going to fill in the bottom half of your face and neck with black body paint. So based on the video, it looks like the separation between these two colors is kind of grungy and messy. It's kind of hard to tell since he's wearing a veil, and there's not a lot of reference pictures available as of right now, so I'm just winging it and making it a messy separation. And that's it. You toss on a veil and a hood, and yes, I realize my veil is black. It should be white or gray, but this is what I had. And on that note, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you back here again.